Hey there, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Gardening Tips and Tricks. Today, let's talk about getting the most out of our little patches of paradise. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy balcony garden, these tips are for you. It's all about working smarter, not harder. First up, harvesting. Knowing when to pick your produce is key. Picking your veggies at the right time means tastier, more abundant crops. The flavor and nutritional value are at their peak. Plus, it encourages your plants to keep producing all season long. Regular harvesting can lead to a continuous supply of fresh produce. Now imagine a garden where pests are scarce and the soil is bursting with nutrients. Sounds like a dream, right? That's the magic of crop rotation, folks. By rotating your crops, you can naturally improve soil health and reduce pest problems. By switching up what you plant each season, you're mimicking nature's own system. This helps maintain a balanced ecosystem in your garden. It's like hitting the refresh button on your garden year after year. Fresh soil, fresh plants, and fresh opportunities. Think of it like this. You wouldn't eat the same thing every day, right? Plants are no different. They thrive on variety. They need a varied diet too. Different plants contribute different nutrients to the soil. Crop rotation ensures they get all the good stuff while keeping those pesky pests guessing. So keep rotating and keep growing. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of harvesting, shall we? It's a rewarding process that connects us directly to the food we eat. Leafy greens like lettuce and spinach are happiest when harvested young. They are tender and packed with nutrients at this stage. Snip them from the outside for continuous growth. This method ensures you get a steady supply over time. Fruiting plants like tomatoes and cucumbers have telltale signs of ripeness, vibrant color, and a slight give when gently squeezed. These indicators help you pick them at their peak flavor. Root vegetables like carrots and potatoes need a bit more patience. They grow underground, so you have to wait for the right moment. Wait until the tops start to yellow and wither. This is a sign that they are ready to be unearthed. This means they've stored up all those delicious sugars. The result is a sweeter, more flavorful vegetable. Now for a bonus tip, harvest in the cool of the morning or evening. This helps to preserve the freshness and crispness of your produce. Your veggies will stay fresher, longer. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, knowing they are at their best. Remember that refresh button we talked about? That's crop rotation in action. Different plants have different appetites. Some are heavy feeders, gobbling up nutrients, while others give back to the soil. By rotating, you avoid depleting the soil and ensure a balanced diet for your plants. And don't forget those pesky pests. They love to overwinter in the soil, just waiting to munch on their favorite snacks come springtime. Crop rotation throws them for a loop. No favorite snacks means fewer pests and healthier plants. It's a win-win. Easy peasy crop rotation, a plan for beginners. Ready for a simple rotation plan? Let's get started. Let's divide our veggies into 4 groups. 1. Heavy feeders. Think tomatoes, peppers, and squash. These plants are known for their high nutrient needs. They need lots of nutrients to thrive. 2. Light feeders. These include leafy greens, radishes, and carrots. They don't deplete the soil as much. They're lighter on the soil. 3. Nitrogen fixers. Beans and peas are superstars. They enrich the soil by pulling nitrogen from the air. They pull nitrogen from the air and feed it to the soil. 4. Root crops. Carrots, potatoes, and beets improve soil structure as they grow. Now, the plan. Year 1, heavy feeders. Year 2, light feeders. Year 3, nitrogen fixers. Year 4, root crops. Easy, right? This method ensures your soil remains healthy and productive. Each year, rotate your groups clockwise. This helps prevent soil depletion and pest buildup. Your soil and your taste buds will thank you. Happy gardening! Non-stop garden, keep those veggies coming. Who says gardening has to be seasonal? With a bit of planning, you can enjoy fresh produce all year round. After harvesting those spring peas, why not plant some heat-loving tomatoes? And when it's time to bid farewell to the beans, sow some cool season spinach. The key is to choose fast-growing varieties and stagger your plantings. This ensures a continuous supply of fresh veggies straight from your backyard. Talk about garden-to-table goodness. Happy soil, happy plants, feed your garden. Just like we need our vitamins, our soil needs a boost now and then to stay healthy. Composting is like giving your garden a multivitamin. It's a natural way to enrich the soil. It adds essential nutrients and improves soil structure, making it more fertile. You can compost kitchen scraps, yard waste, even those fallen leaves. Another secret weapon, mulch. It acts like a blanket, keeping the soil cool and moist, which is essential. Plus, it helps suppress weeds, making your garden maintenance easier. Think of it as giving your garden a cozy hug, ensuring it thrives. Garden bounty. Enjoy the fruits and veggies of your labor. There you have it, folks. With a little know-how and some TLC, you can turn your small garden into a bountiful oasis. Remember, harvesting at the right time and rotating your crops are key to maximizing your yields. And don't forget to feed your soil. After all, healthy soil means healthy plants and happy harvests. So go on, get your hands dirty and enjoy the fruits and veggies of your labor.